Hi guys, Currency Gamers here again with another video. Today we're going to do our weekly outlook for the upcoming week. So let's start from the weekly time frame. As you can see, on the weekly we are sitting within this order block here, and on the weekly last week we had, I wouldn't say it was a massive bullish candle, but you can see the wick, how far upwards it went, which is pretty much showing there's some sort of reaction happening off the main threshold of this order block, which you've been sitting in for quite a few weeks now. Going on to the daily time frame, in the grand scheme of things, we're still sitting in the market structure between let's say this low and this high, and as you can see, we've kind of started a micro trend upwards here. I would say we're still kind of sitting in a massive range, which I'll say from this zone here, but that's the daily at the moment. We have come towards this low and we have raided this low. You see the wicks closed just above it, and we've also tapped into a fair value gap down here. Now, what would be interesting for me to see is how we possibly react to this daily fair value gap right here, and whether we close bullish above this daily fair value gap, mainly because that would then possibly show that the weekly mean threshold here is holding, and we are going to attack the liquidity above this high, possibly this high as well, to continue that weekly uptrend. Okay, so what we're mainly looking for is what PD arrays are holding. Is it bullish or bearish PD arrays? Yeah, but yeah, that's what I'll be looking for mainly. On the H12 again, there's no fair value gap here, but that is H12 MS low we just reached, so the daily is looking much cleaner for market structure for our main points. Down to the H4 now. What we can see here is that the H4 did create quite a bullish swing downwards. So again, I wouldn't be long in here, but also I'm not, probably wouldn't take any trades until the daily, as I said, until we see whether it will respect this here. So if we possibly make a fractal low, we could possibly look for a trade into this fair value gap, or if we close above this towards these highs up here. But again, we just have to wait and see what the daily provides for us. And one thing I wanna drill into myself for the rest of this month is keeping on the daily time frame and staying out the noise. You know, one thing I've noticed, it's very easy to, you win a few trades and you lose the bigger picture. I found myself in the past few weeks zooming too much down into the lower time frames, and wouldn't say neglecting the daily, but you kind of think you're Superman and you can catch every single trade, when really and truly you just got to wait for the daily to be in alignment, wait for them easy draws and liquidity on the daily time frame, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's Eurgbp. Now going to Euro USD, a similar story. The Euro USD has attacked the high of this this high here. See, we've raided below it. On the weekly time frame, again, we are sitting in a discount of the weekly range from this high low to this high up here. So this low to this high probably is worth me marking out that high up there as well. There we go. Okay, so that's where we're sitting on the weekly time frame. Going on to daily again, you see we've raided this high. It will be interesting to see again if we do have a fractal to show that this high is going to get respected to go bearish. On the H12 again, you can see that's H12 MS high here as well. And then on the H4 again, you can see we've got technically structure isn't bullish because we've got from this high to this low, but what we can see, what we do want to see is some sort of breakdown on the lower time frames. But ideally, I'd want to see how the Monday daily candle closes to confirm whether we will be long or short for the next couple of coming days. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck and enjoy the rest of your week.